Couple more tool paths we can do. Go ahead and rough that hole and then drill our holes on top. So while we're doing this, we're using that tool already, we'll come back to the left. Another contour. Instead of creating another one, we'll use this one since it's ramping already. Copy after. And your planes to left. We're using this tool. Chain it using solid geometry. We'll pick the top this time. Top of stock will be 0, and then the depth will go just past absolute. About -350. Two passes this time because otherwise we'll have a slug falling out. Go. Top. Call back up this. Turn all that off. If you're just drilling 2D holes, you're not doing nothing 5-axis or nothing like that. Even in 5-axis, unless you're changing angles all the time, I like to just use simple points. It keeps things simple. See, it just shows points. If you do something like a circle, then it's going to show that arc. And if you're doing tool paths like thread milling and stuff, it'll force that diameter in there, and I don't like doing that. I like having control over what that is. I'll show you when we'll go ahead and thread mill these holes once we've drilled them. Bottom first. Inches. Like that. And just copy and paste. Here's your tool. See how deep those holes were. That hole ain't deep. Drill the holes. Again, you can copy it, change it to thread mill. Change your tool. Change your tool, it should automatically update all this stuff. Now we can change the OD of our thread. We're not going to do multi-passes and all that. We're just going to go 3/4 deep. That's why. All right. Should have our part roughed. Quickly verify it real quick. Turn stops off. Just jump to the end of it. Show you what I was talking about earlier about saving the stock. That should be fine. All right, here's our stock model. That took way longer than it should have, but I did what I was talking about. I used Verify to create it. Or we verified the part and then I saved that stock model. So see, I have no tool paths in this one, and I'm using file. I don't know why they've got this list here. It doesn't ever populate, but basically, you know, you point to where the file is. I'm not going to go hunt for it again. That takes too much time. And then we've got a stock model, and we'll use this in the next video. We'll have to finish this using some 5-axis tool paths, and that'll be what the next video is about, is actually using some actual multi-axis tool paths. So what I'll probably do is simplify this, just go so it's not bogging my computer down. I'll clear all this out, and we'll I'll use this as my initial stock, so we're not confused by tool paths that are already here and stuff like that, and then we'll finish all that stuff. So hopefully next week I'll have time to work on this video, and we'll get at least a couple of these tool paths, the 5-axis stuff, out of the way. We've still got some 2D finishing to do. There's also, we've got this hole. The only way to get to that hole is to actually use a 5-axis tool path, and I may demonstrate that first, because we actually have to rough that counter bore. That's not practical. I hope somebody would not ever design a part like this. You can machine it, but it's not a practical thing to do. But and I'm going to show you how to machine it. So until next time, I hope you learned something. Please like and subscribe if you've made it this far. There's a few of you watching all the way through my videos. I appreciate that. Comment. I'm going to put a link in the video below for email. If people have questions, you can email me. And if you have parts or anything like that that you're struggling with, we can talk about it there. And better yet, instead of putting an email in a video, I'll probably just fix a link in my on my YouTube page to where you can get in contact with me that way. I'll try to figure that out. That way, if people have questions or something like that they want to go over with through email, we can do that. But again, appreciate everybody watching all the way through to the end. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, thank you.